Today we're talking about something very serious, property fraud and deed theft. It's a growing problem, and especially here in New York City. And it's affecting many people, particularly seniors, but don't worry, we're here to help you understand how to protect yourself and your property. Hi, I'm Elias, here with Alejandra. We're your trusted real estate brokers from Empire Fine Homes, serving Queens and the surrounding areas.
Property fraud happens when someone illegally transfers the ownership of your home without your knowledge. Scammers might forge documents to make it look like they own your property. In some cases, homeowners only find out when they are served with an eviction notice or they see that their house is listed for sale online. Here's a real example from our community here in East Elmhurst. A homeowner with a second property in Queens noticed something strange. She saw contractors renovating her property without her approval. After looking into it, she discovered that the property had been illegally sold to a so-called investor. This could happen to anyone, which is why it's so important to know how to protect yourself.
Now, certain homes are more likely to attract scammers, and these include properties that appear abandoned, homes that seem neglected or vacant are easy targets.
Homes with tax or utility liens, scammers often prey on properties with financial issues.
Homes where the owner has passed away. If heirs haven't transferred the title, fraudsters may step in and claim ownership. If your property falls into any of these categories, or you know someone in these situations, take extra precautions.
Here are some simple steps to protect yourself and your property.
Check your deed regularly. Visit your local county clerk's office or website to ensure your name is still on the deed. Sign up for fraud alerts. Many counties offer alerts that notify you if someone files documents against your property.
Be careful who you trust. Never sign documents without fully understanding them. Consult with a lawyer or you trust a real estate professional. If you are unsure, secure your documents. Keep your property deed and other important papers in a safe place.
Be cautious if someone offers to buy your home out of the blue. You get mail about property transactions you didn't authorize. A so-called investor promises quick cash for your home.
If something feels off, it probably is. Remember, your home is one of your most valuable assets. Protecting it is crucial. If you ever have any questions or concerns, reach out to your trusted professional like us at Empire Fine Homes.
You could also visit our website at empirefinehomes.com for more resources. To get in touch with us directly, we're here to help.
We hope this video helps you feel more confident about protecting your property. If you found this helpful, like, share, and share this video to spread the word. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more real estate tips and advice. We'll see you in the next video.